In energy storage devices, mainly we discussed about the two types of battery. First one is the primary battery. What are the examples of primary battery? Riser, electrolyzer. So second one is. So second battery example is lithium-ion battery. Okay. So main is what is anode, what is cathode. Different kinds of reaction, everything we discussed. The main specification of this reaction is charging and discharging reaction. Okay, that is the previous one already for out. So next one we are going to see about today fuel cell. So there are two main kinds of fuel cell. First one, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Second one, microbial fuel cell. Next one, EV vehicles. So these two topics we have discussed today. First one is the microbial fuel cell. That is semiconductor membrane. Anode. This anode and cathode are fitted with voltmeter. That is anode compartment. That is cathode compartment. See, that is the cell representation of microbial fuel cell. See, microbial, what is the meaning of microbes? Using the bacteria and viruses, that is organic bases, we can prepare in the electricity. That is called microbial fuel cell. That is the main application of the microbial fuel cell. See, there are two main kinds of compartments. First one is the anode compartment. Second one is the cathode compartment. In anode compartment, all the microbes, bacteria, organic bases are fitted in here. Okay, here the methane, carbon dioxide, and electrons also generated using this organic bases. In a process, fermentation process. So fermentation, due to the fermentation process, methane gas or carbon dioxide or electron based on the organic base should be generated. Okay, so mainly in anode compartment we keep on the anaerobic condition. What is the meaning for anaerobic? Without air. Okay, without air is called anaerobic. Okay, in anode compartment we know without air no. In cathode compartment we must be maintain the aerobic condition. So here the oxidation occurs. So electron will be transferred from a marginal circuit and ions are transferred using this heavy permeable membrane. Okay, from anode to cathode. In cathode the reduction occurs. Here usually aerobic means oxygen here. We should be accept electron and undergoes the reduction. We get the water or any other oxidizing product. That's all. So that are the overall working and functions of microbial fuel cells. So here two kinds of electrodes are used. These two kinds of electrodes are done by the biomaterial. That's why we call bioanode and biocathode. How can we prepare the bioanode and cathode? Using the natural products. What that means? If you take the aloe vera is a viscous in nature. Already you know that aloe vera உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறது தீர்க்கும் வெள்ளையா ஜெல்லா இருக்கும். Okay, best reducing agent. If you taking the hibiscus rosa-sinensis, what is that? Temporary. Okay va? அப்ப அந்த இலை எப்படி இருக்கும்? உனக்கு அரைக்கும் போது உனக்கு okay va? அப்ப நேச்சுரா உனக்கு வந்து அந்த ஒரு viscous nature இருந்தா it is acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent based on the microbes here used. Okay, so this both anode and cathode are used by like this material. That is called bioanode and biocathode. Okay, microbial fuel cell using the microbes, we should be generating application of microbial fuel cell. Microbes na enna viruses, bacteria, so minute living organism அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு ஆர்கானிக் வேஸ்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து நம்ம எதை ஜெனரேட் பண்றோம், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி ஜெனரேட் பண்றோம். அதுதான் மைக்ரோபியல் ஃபியூல்ஸோட மெயினான ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஓகேவா? நீங்க ஒரு அனோட் ஒரு கேத்தோட் இருக்கும். இது ரெண்டுமே எந்த மெட்டீரியலால இருக்கும்? using the biomaterials. So we have called as here bioanode and biocathode. The main condition of microbial fuel cell is in anode compartment we keep an anaerobic condition. In cathode compartment we can keep an aerobic condition. So what is means both anode and cathode used to apply chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Here also the chemical reaction occurs and it should be converted into the electrical energy. Okay, so two main compartment. First one anode compartment keep an anaerobic condition. Cathode compartment keep an aerobic condition. In anode, microbes, viruses, bacteria we can use for the chemical reaction. So that means organic waste is used for the chemical reaction. Fermentation occurs. You should be emit carbon dioxide, methane or electron. These electrons are flow from the outer circuit from anode to cathode and ions are moved from using the semi-permeable membrane from anode to cathode. Okay, in cathode keep on the aerobic condition. What reaction occurs? Reduction reaction occurs. That's all. So here bioanode, biocathode are used for the microbial cell. Maximum these kind of cells are used for the solid waste management, kinds of the மாதிரி places. Next one municipal water treatment and the மாதிரி இருக்கலாம் microbial fuel cells maximum uses. Okay ma? So main thing என்னன்னா that is pollution free. We can generate electricity from the wastes. That is the main application, main specification of the microbial fuel cells. Next one fuel cell. See, next one, fuel cell. Fuel cell means using the fuel we can prepare the electricity, that is called fuel cell. In this cell, fuel and oxygen are combined to form the oxidation product and there is a schematic diagram of fuel cell. In this fuel cell, both anode and cathode are the porous carbon. ரெண்டுமே ஒண்ணுதான். Both anode and cathode are made up of porous carbon. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Which kind of concentration cell is that? See, both are same. Electrode concentration cell. Pressure may be varying. Okay, both anode and cathode are here porous carbon. It should be consist of small amount of Pt means platinum, Pt means palladium, Ag means silver. அப்ப அந்த எலக்ட்ரோட்ல என்ன mix ஆயிருக்கும்? மூணு எலிமெண்ட் mix ஆயிருக்கும். First one platinum, palladium and also silver also mix with the porous electrode. Okay, in cathode in anode compartment, hydrogen get act as a fuel and oxygen acts as a oxidizer. That is very main. Hydrogen acts as a fuel, oxygen acts as a oxidizer. In anode compartment, hydrogen are bubbled through the anode compartment and oxygen are bubbled through the cathode compartment. In anode compartment, oxidation occurs. Cathode compartment, reduction occurs. See, in this electrode, between the two electrodes, we have filled the electrolytic solution. Here, 25% of KOH or NaOH act as a electrolytic solution. Okay, 25% of KOH or NaOH act as a electrolytic solution. It can be filled within the gap between the two electrodes. Okay, so in overall cell setup, both fuel, oxidizer and also electrolyte within the cell only. So the reaction occurs within the cell only. So that is also called voltaizer. Voltaizer means the chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Here the chemical is fuel and oxygen. Both oxidation reduction reaction occurs. That means at the same time both oxidation reduction reaction occurs. That reaction is called, what is that? Redox reaction. At the same time both oxidation reduction reaction நடந்ததுன்னா அந்த reaction நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Redox reaction. So here the reaction, chemical reaction occurs, the electricity will be generated. High voltage electricity can be prepared by using this fuel cell. It is very pollution free and eco-friendly. See next one. At anode reaction, here hydrogen is moving from the anode. Already you know that. Okay. So hydrogen, this 4 OH members obtaining from the electrolyte. Electrolyte means 4 OH minus 4. So combined we get the H2O plus 4 electron. So oxidation means liberation of electron. Appa hydrogen என்ன செய்யும்? electron liberate பண்ணும். Hydrogen is converted into the water molecule by the liberation of 4 electron. Okay, this liberating 4 electron are absorbed by the oxygen because oxygen is bubbled through the cathode. So oxygen plus 4 electron plus water we get the 4 OH minus. To cancelling both the balancing both the reactant and the product side, we get the net reaction is H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So the main application of fuel cell is producing electricity and also water. Okay, it is very eco-friendly and producing high voltage. Main especially these kinds of cell is used in a ship and submarines etc. Okay, so mainly என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா hydrogen acts as a fuel. Oxygen acts as a oxidizer. Hydrogen bubble through the anode compartment. Oxygen bubble through the cathode compartment. Two kinds of electrode. That is called porous carbon. Both are the same. It should be consist of small amount of Pt means platinum. Pt means palladium. Next Ag means silver. Okay, in itself. Okay, so within the gap of the electrode, we can fill the electrolytic solution. Another electrolytic solution, 25% of KOH or NaOH. Okay, so anode reaction, cathodic reaction, and overall reactions also see that. So this is over, fuel cell over. Next one, electric vehicle rotate. That one component. Next one, types. Last one, advantages and disadvantages. brakes. Next one, component. First one, transmission. Second one, battery. Third one, onboard charger. Next one, charge port. DC converter. Electric motor. Thermal system. Last one, pipes. 4 main legs. Second one, hybrid electric vehicle. Third one, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Last one,